refuge in my sorrow. Now I see sunshine through the rain. Know when to lead and when to follow, and how to hide away my pain. I play the game so well, learned how to speak and spell. I even got myself a degree. A wife, a house, a son. I used to be someone. Now look what has become of me. I've given my life away. I've given my life away. So many roads I could have wandered, and different lips I should have kissed. So many seeds I would have planted, if I just opened up my fist. A long, long time ago, life was in stereo, and all the words did rhyme. A daydream and a song, one of us can't be wrong. Since when did I go colorblind? Red, orange, yellow, green and blue, indigo and violet too. I know the colors of the rainbow. They were not hard to find. And although I can't tell the difference, I finally made up my mind. Whatever I've been told, before I grow too